Good morning, everybody, and welcome to BossBoxBreaks 12/13 limited 3-box break. Ended last night, being April 18th, 2015. That's your winners list. It's a pretty beautiful one, isn't it? It ended with Indie Blues Man, welcome back. April 14th, last night at 8:43 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Winnipeg, Manitoba.
April 18th.
That's right, April 18th, sorry. It's currently April 19th. First thing in the morning. Wanted to get this break out to you guys, so. Not a lot of people wake up and bust 3 at 8 in the morning on a Sunday, that's for sure, so. But not everybody's boss breaks. That one ending in 891. So we're big fans of this product. We keep pulling massive hits every case. So we keep grabbing cases. Good luck. First card will go to the Washington Capitals and CBJ fan. Welcome back. 295 of 299. Limited base. And we will have a random at the end. Very nice. 1 of 10 between Pittsburgh, who's 2015 Usinu, Rangers, who's Rocky, and Philadelphia, who's Steven Smith. So we'll do that at the end. Very nice patch card. Yeah, patch. So it's a good card. Next one, Columbus Blue Jackets, Michael Stordo. You'll get yourself a limited rookie redemption card. For Dallas, Louis Erickson, 16 of 99, authentic jumbo materials. That's Bolka, the big hitter. Akeem Alou, I'm pretty sure that's Calgary. So we'll look that up at the end just in case, though. Very nice. Mario Lemieux, board members, 143 out of 199. And that'll go to 2015 Usinu. If I'm saying your name wrong, you're not the only one. 19 out of 25, Ray Bork, the captain. Limited captains. Bolka, that one will go to you too. That's a gold variation, out of 25.
Boston?
Boston and Bolka, yep. That one ending in 131. Yeah, I'm fairly positive Akeem Alou rookie will be Calgary. Alright, second box. First hit will go to Michael Stordo and the Carolina Hurricane, Tim Gleason. Number 9 out of 299. Excuse me. And for Buffalo, 194 out of 299, Tyler Myers. And that's for Victoria K. Welcome to BossBoxBreaks. And for the New York Rangers, and Adam Graves, Stanley Cup winners. Very, very nice hit for you, Rocky. Check the numbering. Gingerly. 23 out of 99. So there you go, Rocky. Nice hit for you. And we've got ourselves a net assets card. So this is the rest of the cards in the pack, and that's the one card. There you go. For a Sedin, which one? Daniel, 43 out of 50. It's your boys. Michael Stordo, there you go. We have so much fun mailing those cards, I gotta tell you guys. They don't actually make a hard case that fits those, so we have to put them in between other cards and keep them extra safe. For Toronto, 30 out of 99, James Van Riemsdyk. Toronto would be Kurt 3. Welcome to Boss Box Breaks. Limited jersey card for you. And Jeff Skinner, trophy winners. It's going to go out to Michael Stordo. And that's his team, Carolina. Numbered 26 out of 199. And just because you already have the gold, you might as well have the other one. 16 out of 99. You're missing the silver, so that'll be out of 49 when you get that one. That's Bolka. Alright. Hakeem Alou. That's all Calgary, so we were right there. That'll go to Calgary. 623. Good luck in the last box. As usual, we've got 2 bonus packs to give away at the end. Just packs we put together ourselves with inserts. Always 1 rookie. Never any base. If there is, it's just because it's a cool looking card of some sort. For the Ducks, Corey Perry. Boo. Sorry, they beat us again. 2-0 in the series. 108 of 299. That's Victoria K. Welcome to BossBoxBreaks again. And for Calgary, Jay Bowmeister. 231, 299. And that's
His face.
Hockey Box Break. He looks like he's surprised about pucks. My wife and my girlfriend are here. That's Calgary. And for Boston, Max Suave. Sauve. 288 at 299. Bolka hitting with Boston today. There you go. And because we can't stop hitting these guys, for Tampa Bay, Martin St. Louis. 8 out of 25. See, this is the lowest parallel of St. Louis we've hit. That's a gold monikers, I believe. So, CBJ fan, we're etching that in there. Very nice hit for you. Put that right next to Adam. And Boston, go figure, 37 out of 99. Limited jersey, David Krejci. Going to Bolka. And for Toronto, we'll start on the new side. UC Arenas. Felix Potvin, 71 out of 199. That's Kurt 3. There you go, another hit for you. And last but not least, because they should at least get a hit, limited captains, 47 out of 199. Nicholas Lidstrom, MBSC Golf. That goes to you. So, this random, which I know there's some excited people about, this guy's only doing climbing up that leaderboard. 1 out of 10 limited travels. I'm sure they could add a team or 2 in there for him. So Pittsburgh, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Good luck. 2015 Usinu, Rocky, and Steven Smith. The card goes to 10, and that will be Pittsburgh. 2015 Usinu. First Boss Box Break. Very nice card going to you. There you go. It's a money card, believe it or not. It's very nice. Good job. So, we'll get into some bonuses. We got first our no-hit bonus, and like I said, they all have inserts, at least 1 rookie, just cards to throw in there. So if it lands on somebody with a hit, the first pack, we will go to a team above. First pack, Team 4, And I'm sure they did, yes. There's a whole line of people here. So go all the way up to Steven Smith, who didn't have a hit with Arizona. Bonus pack 1 goes to you, Steve Smith. Bonus pack 2 is for anybody, hits or not. And thank you to CBJ Fan, who had 5+ teams. You get your own bonus pack regardless. Team 5. Smashed it for you, Hockey Box Break. That one's yours. Team 5. Those are your, in my opinion, hits of the break. Welcome back to Boss Box Breaks. And we have another 3-boxer going tonight. We'll throw those into some plastic. We'll send those out this week. See you guys good.